But if you have a different version of Python, this will still work. This should work for any version of Python. And we do get hello world printed to our screen. The next thing we want to do is what I call a Bart Simpson program. So I'm going to go to File, New File, and then we can also type Python code in this new file, and the results will show up in our Python shell. So let's start by just testing this out and still print hello world. And I'll add from Ryan. You don't always have to say hello world. You can write whatever you want as long as it's within these quotation marks. So I'm going to go to run module. You do have to save your code before